Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As you can see, the truck's almost done. This is for the under 1,000 subscribers group build. Like I said, yeah, it's almost done. All I gotta do is just pretty much glue everything in place, and so my next update will be pretty much completion. So the spare tire right here, I'm thinking about using this. So I ran out of black paint, so I'm gonna wait till the weekend so I could go paint it. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint that. The interior is pretty much done. Um, the back part of it, this I still need to paint and glue it on. This I'm still gluing the tire rack, and as you can see, it's still the Starbucks gift card. So the front grill, I did a little touch. So I did the winding part out of paper clip. I'll take this off, and the engine's pretty much done, and it's all straight pipes and my normal weathering. So yeah, it's pretty much done. Just like I said, just do the final touches, paint this, and hopefully my next update will be pretty much the final. So yeah, so far it's looking good. Uh, fun little build as always, and just adding little touches here and there. And this, I painted it black, and then I use a pencil just to give the extra what would you say, dry brush, but with the pencil that gives it the worn out look. So yeah, and it spins. So it's once it's glued on, I'm not gonna glue this on just so that I could just move it around and just leave different poses. So yeah, that's my update for my under 1,000 subscriber group build. Thanks again for stopping by and checking this out, and it's looking pretty good. And I still need to do the oil filter. So Ed over 125 rods challenged me to come up with an idea, and I do have the idea, but I don't want to give it away just yet. But it's gonna be pretty cool. May not leave it in the engine. It's not gonna be here in the engine. I might just leave it somewhere on the side, or somewhere up here by the firewall with a piece of wire that just goes around. If I can create a something that holds it in place, but a bracket. But yeah, it's gonna be in scale, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I really hope that it gives it the look, and yeah, we'll see how that turns out at the end. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by and subscribing, sharing, and liking, and all your shout outs. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.